Dear students, greetings of the day. In this video, we will discuss a very important program, that is to find factorial of a number. Let us write that program. So we start with the first line, include studio.h, then void main and the body of main function. Now for calculating factorial of a number, we need some variables. Let n be the number and I is loop counter and fact is the factorial value. First of all, we enter the input, means the number whose factorial has to be found. Enter positive integer. So we have this in new line and then semicolon, scanf, %d and address of n, so where we store this number. Now we initialize the factorial value to 1 for I is equal to 1, I less than equals to n, I plus plus. So here we starts from 1 and multiply up to n, which is the formula of factorial. Then fact is equal to fact into I. So this will store factorial into this left hand side variable fact. Let us print the output. That will be printed in new line, %d, and the value of fact will be printed on the screen. So first of all, let's save this, then compile and execute. So let me integer some value. Let us enter 7, and here is the output on your screen. The factorial of 7 is 5040. Now let us make this output little bit presentable by formatting, and for that we write factorial of %d is equal to %d. Let us have a tab key also, and we want to print n and fact. Okay, let us save this, compile and execute. Now let me enter some value. Let me enter 8, and the answer is factorial of 8 is equal to 40,320. Let us have one more output, and let us have few blank lines after the output to just increase the visibility. Let me compile and execute. Let me enter 9, and the answer is factorial of 9 is equal to this. So I hope you got an idea how can we write factorial of a number in C language.